Welcome all my dear one. In this session we'll be discussing on the example of the fossil plant, and it will be Lepidodendron. So this is the image of Lepidodendron, how exactly it used to look like. Lepidodendron was a tree-like habit. The plant reached about 120 feet. Speaking about the morphological features, stem was erect, and it did not branch up to some distance from the ground. It used to grow some distance from the ground, and then it used to branch, and the branching was dichotomous. The dichotomies produced the leaves. So these are the leaves. Now some of the leaves are somewhat dark color in structure. These are nothing but strobili. Even you can call them as cones, which we'll be discussing in our reproductive session. Now the branches and the foliage form sort of a crown at the apex of the stem. So this is the stem at the apex, branches as well as the foliage, they are going to form a crown like structure. The arrangement of leaves was a spiral, and leaves were linear. Linear in the sense the leaves were in the form of a straight line, measuring about 5 to 9 inches. Now these leaves, when they are going to dropped from the plant, that is on abscission, a flat rhomboidal, the rhomboidal shape, a flat rhomboidal shape of scar persisted on the stem, resembling what? Resembling a small cushion. So some marks were there on the stem. These are nothing but the marks left over of the leaves which are dropped down from the plant. Now the base of the stem, had a system called as what? Stigmarian system. Now the question arises, what exactly stigmaria is? Stigmaria, these represent the underground rooting. These are a bit different, and these are formed, this kind of a root system is found usually in plants like Sigillariae and Lepidodendron. These plants usually called as lycopods. So in lycopods usually stigmarian system kind of in a root we can observe. Stigmarian root are like shoot like rootlets. These are actually shoot. These shoots are grown underground, so they are going to act as a root. So these are commonly called as a shoot like rootlets, adapted to serve a function of the root. Now Lepidodendron, the main axis in the sense the stem has a bipolar growth. Now bi is 2 at both the poles, both the polar ends, it has an ability to grow. So at one end it is going to grow and form the dichotomous branching. On that branching we are going to have the leaves, leading to formation of a crown like appearance at the tip. On the either end it is going to form roots. That is what we are going to call it as an stigmarian system. So this was a description regarding the morphological features of Lepidodendron. Thank you.